starting with the great name of Allah, the most mighty and merciful, the King of kings and the Lord of lords. The second lecture of Young Tuition Academy is that what is measurement and types of quantities, means physical quantities and non-physical quantities. Today I am going to explain the basic question of Issb interview, that is how current is a basic quantity, as it is derived from two quantities like charge and time. Please watch full video. I am starting from measurement. The comparison of an unknown quantity with known quantity is called measurement. And the known quantity, which means standard, is unit. A unit is a quantity which is standard and with which other quantities are compared. Unit is the quantity with which other quantities are compared. Physical quantities. On the basis of measurement, there are two types of quantities. One of that is physical quantities, while the next one is non-physical quantities. In physics, we deal with physical quantities, and physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Those quantities which can be measured or which are measurable is called physical quantities. Example: mass, length, area, speed, etc. While the next one is non-physical quantities. Those quantities which cannot be measured is called non-physical quantities, like bravery, love, which has no physical shape or body. So there are two types of physical quantities. One of that is base physical quantities, while the next one is derived physical quantities, which will be the third lecture of Young Tuition Academy. So let me explain what is base physical quantities. Those physical quantities which are not defined from other physical quantities are called base physical quantities. As the name suggests, that base quantities it provide base of all other quantities like derived quantities. Those physical quantities which are not defined from other quantities are called base physical quantities, like length, time, current. There are 7 base physical quantities in physics, which will be the third lecture, and I will explain the table and the basic quantities and its units. So I am going to explain the basic point of MDCAT and Issb interview, that is how current is a basic quantity, as it is derived from the given formula I is equal to Q by T, where Q is used for charge and T stands for time. Q, which means charge, is a property which means the efficiency or deficiency of electrons on a body, means excess or deficiency of electrons on a body is called charge. So charge is not correctly measurable. It cannot be measured correctly, but it produces the effect of current. That's why current is measured correctly, and it is the basic quantity, because charge is not a quantity but it is a property. It means it is the property. Enough for today, and I will explain derived quantity what is unit and magnitude in the next lecture, inshallah.